guys, happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from June the 10th through June the 16th. And I had a request to do a sunglass theme, but I had a terrible time trying to find sunglasses. So I'm going to incorporate like one sunglass into this theme. I just decided to do a beach theme because I really didn't know what else to do. So I'm going to be using this paper that I hauled yesterday from Michael's in that paper pads that I got for $5. This is the one with the starfish, and you can see the little dimension. And this is the seahorses, and they have all that dimension. And then this washi is from the Dollar Tree. I love their washi. And I made my own stickers, and I'm going to be using a combination of the pink topaz Bic marker and the tuxedo black Bic marker. Okay, so let me go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. I'm so glad that everybody liked my Breakfast at Tiffany spread. She was definitely one of my favorite actresses. I just loved her. Okay, I've decided that I want this to be the dominant theme of the spread. I think it is just so beachy and pretty. But I love those paper pads at Michael's. They're such a good deal. And you can even buy them online for $5. So if you don't see what you want, just go to michaels.com and put in paper pads, 12 by 12 paper pads, and they'll come up. But this actually looks like little water drops. I love this paper. I think my little cutter blade is getting dull. And this paper is just so pretty. I love it. Okay, let's start putting our paper down like we want it. I just think this is going to be so sweet and cute. But I really was surprised that I could not find any really nice sunglasses. I was shocked. Okay, let's start putting our paper down. I thought that would be such an easy one to do. But I think this is going to be really cute. Then next week, we're going to get back to our movie themes. I really have missed them. I have so many movies that I want to go over. So I'm looking forward to it. as many of you know, I love classic old movies, and I have a really large collection. I think that is so cute. Okay, let's start putting our washi down. And I chose this washi because to me, it looked like, it reminded me of the movement of the water, and also like a pretty beach towel or a pair of sunglasses. So I picked that washi for several reasons, and it also works nicely with the colors in the spread. And it kind of reminded me too of sun rays coming down at the beach. So like I said, there's a lot of reasons why I like this washi. And I think I will go down through here like I do sometimes. I do think it adds a lot. That is really cute. Okay, all right, I think that is really cute. All right, let's start putting our stickers down. Now, like I said, I printed these out originally, these sunglasses, but I didn't think they'd make a very interesting spread by themselves. So I went ahead and found all these really cute little sea creatures just on Google Images. So, and I just Googled like free clip art images of the various little sea creatures. And then I cut them out with my Cricut, but you don't have to have a Cricut to do this. I did this for, wow, probably over a year, and I didn't have a Cricut. Okay, and I'm going to put this one probably right like this, because when we would come down here, before we moved down here, you could actually see the little seahorses when I was little, really little, swimming in the Gulf like that. You could swim with them. They were so tiny, and they would swim with their heads out first. I just thought they were adorable, but you really don't see that anymore. And there used to be tons of sand dollars and things like that, but I really don't see that either. Okay, and then I think I'll put this little guy right about here. I thought he was so cute. All right, and then we have to have this little octopus. He is adorable. He's just kind of hanging out. I think we'll put him maybe right like this. And then the sea turtle. When my dad was alive, we would go fishing off the Navarre Pier, and you could see gigantic sea turtles swimming. It was always so much fun. Put that right here. And then this big old starfish is so cute. I think I'm going to put him, I'll put him right here. And then I have two fish that I found. I thought that was really, really cute. I think I'll maybe put him right here, like he's just swimming. And then here's this other fish. He's cute. Where do I want to put him? I might put him right here, like he's going that way. And then I think I'll put a couple pair of sunglasses, maybe like these, to kind of keep in with the sunglass theme. Because if you're at the beach, you definitely have to have your sunglasses. Okay, I think that's really cute. Now let me just write a few things down. Okay. Now let's go ahead and put my pages back in my planner, and then I made something else and we'll take a look at that and see how we like that. But I think that's a cute little spread. That really is very whimsical and cute. And you would definitely see all these little creatures if you went to the beach. Okay. Now, I just made a sign like this that I Googled, and then I just wrote Pensacola Beach, and I put that on there. And I think that is really going to add a lot to this spread. I think it's just going to liven it up so much. Now, I think I may also take a pair of sunglasses and kind of like put them right about there. I think that's cute. So I really do love this paper. I think it is so pretty, and this washi from the Dollar Tree. I really do like how these stickers turned out. And I think it worked out with the sunglasses after all. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.